Let's see, baby. So I'm waiting. Okay. So at this time, I'm just testing the writing tool. So I'm just writing 1, 2, 3 to 10 because I'll be using these. Whoops, I don't even know how to write 9. That's funny. Alright, so now that I'm done with 1 to 10, I'm trying to the alphabet now. First capital letters. I'm going to be working with these a lot, so just practicing. I hope I know how to do my ABCD. Let's go. Don't lose hope. All right. I'm Quagmire now. Now small letters. Let's see how we go. Yeah. Okay. That's nice. I think I'm doing well so far, so good. Okay, so now I want to tell you there's some things I want to talk about. Yeah, I'm trying to say that things that I'll be doing, that things I want to be teaching are going to be STEM related hugely. So that will be things from high school, from my undergrad time. So that will basically things surrounding physics and computer science, or CS, as some people say. For my master's program, let's see what I got. That's going to be focusing on the thermal fluids, and that further consists of thermodynamics, and heat transfer and fluid mechanics. Yay. Funny guy. Furthermore, PhD. Here I want to talk about aerodynamics. Combustion. We'll talk about propulsion. It's going to be a lot of rocket stuff. High-speed aerodynamics. To be honest though, I'm not particularly very conversant with things like this. That means I'm going to be doing a lot of reading myself. Yeah, I did take some of these courses. For example, combustion, I took that course. So maybe I want to talk about math, maybe. Yeah, math method. Engineers need math, so yeah. So since I'm going to be discussing a lot of things, some of them I took the courses but I forgot, but I'm interested in them. So I'm going to be doing a lot of reading myself. I think I would like things regarding power, say proportions, not proportion, like power electronics, electric circuits, power electronics. A lot of things with the power sector too. So now I want to mention things around AI and CS, ML or machine learning, DL or deep learning. Data science, these things are kind of related. Maybe I'll discuss statistics, even though I've not taken statistics in my life. But hey, we can learn. So programming languages such as Python, that's also important. C, programming language, C++. MATLAB, very, very important programming language. LabVIEW, yeah, that's also important. Maybe we'll continue to talk more about these, maybe web stuff like HTML, PHP, JavaScript stuff. Maybe, if time allows, why not? Yeah, CAD and CFD stuff. That will be SolidWorks, for example. That's for CAD. ANSYS, yeah, CFD tool. Star CCM Plus. Those are some of the things we got, or we have in mind. What more do we have? What more do we have? I have a very horrible and terrible voice. Yeah, so the goal is maybe I might be also sharing news or new development in the energy and aerospace industry. What is newly going on? What research is going on? What is the state of the art technology at the current time? I might be sharing such news, and I'll further be talking about some explainers, trying to explain certain concepts as it apply to these fields. That's possible. Maybe I might talk about my hobbies, say dancing, for example. I'm trying to learn to dance, not that I know how to dance. Whoops. That dancing doesn't look right, does it? It doesn't. Yep. No, it's great. And gyms are some of the things I like doing. I do more things such as music, listen to music and watching movies. But I guess most people listen to music and watch movies. So I think I'm not unique to that. Dancing, I'm not unique there, but not everybody can dance, or at least like dancing. And gyms, it's a hard stuff, so not everybody likes it. And the viewers, your requests are going to play a very big role over here. So sometimes you talk about your request, and if I have the capability or the knowledge base to share with you, I will do so. If I don't, and I know where you can get that knowledge from, I will recommend that. And if I can't, and I can't do anything about it. Everything we're doing here will be very simple. I'm not trying to go to any deep knowledge thing to tell you about how the world is created and the Big Bang theory and some complex stuff. No, I'm going to be as simple as possible. Just give you a simple concept, and if I can solve some questions, I'll solve it for you. Discuss things that you request and basic stuff. It's not going to be difficult stuff, so etc. Yeah. Now we'll talk about things that I might have to say later that I haven't thought of. So that is why you guys can tell me. So to summarize, I'm interested in the thermal fluids stuff with some element of AI. I have some physics background, so that's why I'm also thinking I might share things about physics also. And yeah, maybe I might work on deriving certain formulae, talk about history of some of these inventors and things that people propounded, like people like Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, and Fourier, and the rest. So basically that's it. Thank you guys very much, and have a wonderful one. Remember to subscribe, it's very important, and share to your friends. Bye bye.